In this video, I'm going to do a brief overview of our mobile app. Download this app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play. This is what the app looks like so that you make sure you have the correct app. Once you download the app and open it, you will first need to log in. Use the same login information that you used to log into the browser app. This is your main dashboard view. You will see our opportunities at the top and any app notifications at the bottom. If you click on the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines in the top left, you will see this menu. From here, you can access your opportunity pipelines, your manual actions, as well as invoicing. You can swipe horizontally through your pipelines and move any opportunities that you need to from here. You can also add new opportunities to your pipeline if you wish. Under manual actions is where you will find calls that need to be made if you are using our power dialer features. And under invoicing, you can create and send invoices to clients. You will need to integrate a Stripe account in order to do so. Back to the main dashboard. If you swipe left, you will see an overview of your manual actions. Swipe again and you can see your online reviews, and then back to your opportunity overview. If you tap on the phone icon in the bottom right, you can make calls from here. And if you tap on the little lightning icon, this is the quick task menu. You can send an email, add a contact, book an appointment, request a review, create an invoice, and add an opportunity to your pipeline. You can also make a call or send an SMS to a contact. Along the bottom, if you tap on the message bubble, you will find your conversations inbox. You can see that we have unread, recent, and all conversations along the top. If you tap on the funnel icon, you can then filter between all conversations if you are an admin and conversations assigned only to you. Tap on the plus icon and you can send an email or an SMS from here. The quick actions work the same throughout. Next, along the bottom, the star is your reviews. If you have Google and Facebook integrated, you will see your review data here. You can also send a request for a review to a contact from here. Up next is the calendar. You will see any booked appointments you have along the bottom. Tapping the plus on this screen also allows you to book an appointment. And lastly, we have our contacts. You will see all your contacts here, and if you tap on one, you can see all of their information, as well as any notes, tasks, or appointments. You can edit, delete, or share a contact from here as well. That concludes our mobile app overview.